Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody drew this, but they're having, and I'm sad that I didn't keep I thought I kept the original. But he told me kind of how he drew it, and he's having trouble with back minus front. And I'm going to give him a few pointers here. If you rotate this guy 45 degrees, and then you hit P, and then move it over to that quadrant, it's already at 45 degrees. So if you want to rotate that guy, you can add 45 degrees or whatever. But if you'll take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in with whatever color, and then move it over, and if you left click, right click, you're now not at 45 anymore. So Control D, Alternate C, a negative 45. Negative 45. And he just took some 2-point lines. So I'm going to show you the way he did it and then how to correct it. I'm going to get the 2-point line, 3-point curve line, and I'm going to go there to that quadrant on that drawing. And then I'm going to go there to that node and put, I was going to think we could use that circle. See, we could delete our circle because we know we're working in the center of the page. And then I'm going to take the 3-point curve line again and put it right there to right there and kind of mimic that drawing. So here's his problem. Let's move that out of the way. If he turns this black and turns these other things a less black, I'm going to take that, and instead of changing color, I'm going to hold down the control button and add a little click of black. So here's his problem. So Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, Alternate C, 45 degrees. And we're behind the scene. So let's go the other way. Control D, Alternate C, negative 45 degrees. We're on top of our box like it's coming out of there. But here's his problem. Control D, Alternate C, plus or minus the negative 45. And then when you get over here, that one's not in the right position. So you think, well, I'll take this one and go to Object, Order, Front of Page. Well, now this one's not in position. So what I did, and this is how I did his, I'm just going to move this out of the way and get rid of these. Move this back. I'm actually going to left click, right click, and I'm going to go, it's still a group, Control D, Alternate C, 45 degrees. But when you fill in this, well, you know what? We need to fill that in. Let's fill in. Well, we don't have to. So now when we fill this in, we're going to take and make this black. And see, then we got that space. And then let's make it less black. You know what? He was using black. I'm going to try blue. Now, the bad thing about that, you still got a black behind you. So move that out of the way. Put that there. Now I'm going to make both these blue, but I'm going to use a little interactive fill tool. I'm just changing it up a little bit. I'm going to put a little black in the end. I never miss when I'm drawing for myself. I don't know if I'm thinking about the other thing. Let's put a little black, just the opposite. Just, see, I missed again. Black might be the one we want. Well, that'll look pretty cool. Now, delete this one. Delete that box. Control G to group it. Control D to duplicate it. Alternate C to have it rotate from the center and rotate it 45 degrees. See, now, I like the blue. now we're all on top. We're not really on top. It's just that that piece is not there. You know what? I'm going to have some fun with this and see what else we could do. Let's delete most of these. See, I always make a copy. And let's, we'll have to ungroup it. And so hopefully I've already answered this question. But now I'm going a little beyond. I always go beyond what people ask just because I like this. I like this. I like it. So let's try interactive fill tool on this thing and go elliptical. And let's put a little black in the middle and bring the blue back in. Boy, this is going to work. I think this is going to be neat. Control G, Control D, alternate C, 45 degrees. Yeah, look at that. Now it looks like it's coming out of there. Wow. You never know till you try. Object, order, back of page. Look at that. It looks like it's a twisted, I don't know what am I going to call the video. Wonder what happened if we would put black outline around it. Yes or no? I like it. So I hope that helped him and help somebody in the future. Thank you for watching.